What if I told you that millions of Americans are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year? Not because they aren't working hard enough, but because they're relying on only one source of income. In today's economy, rising costs, inflation, and financial uncertainty have made a single paycheck feel less secure than ever. Meanwhile, a growing number of people are quietly building extra income streams from side hustles that can generate hundreds, thousands, and in some cases even tens of thousands of dollars per month. The best part, many of these opportunities don't require a business degree, a huge investment, or years of experience. In this video, we're diving into the highest-paying side hustles in America right now, exploring why they're booming, how people are making money with them, and what it takes to get started. For decades, the traditional American financial model was simple. Get a job, contribute to your 401k, pay your bills, and hopefully retire comfortably one day. But the landscape has changed dramatically. Housing costs have increased, healthcare expenses continue to rise, and many workers are looking for ways to create financial flexibility beyond their regular employment. That's why side hustles have evolved from occasional weekend gigs into serious income-producing ventures. In fact, many Americans now earn a significant percentage of their total annual income from activities outside their primary jobs. One of the biggest opportunities today comes from artificial intelligence services. While most people think AI is replacing jobs, many entrepreneurs are using it to create entirely new income streams. Businesses constantly need content creation, social media management, customer service automation, and marketing assistance. Individuals who learn how to use AI tools effectively can offer services to companies that want increased productivity without hiring additional full-time employees. What's remarkable is that some freelancers are earning thousands of dollars each month simply by helping businesses implement systems that save time and money. Another high-income side hustle involves specialized freelance consulting. Companies are increasingly hiring independent experts rather than bringing on permanent staff. Whether someone has expertise in digital marketing, financial analysis, graphic design, software development, project management, or business operations, there is significant demand for skilled professionals. Many consultants charge hourly rates that far exceed traditional employment wages because businesses are paying for specialized knowledge and measurable results rather than simply buying someone's time. Real estate remains one of the most powerful side income vehicles in America. While buying rental properties may seem out of reach for many people, modern platforms and creative strategies have lowered the barrier to entry. Some individuals earn substantial income through property management services, short-term rental optimization, real estate marketing, or helping investors locate profitable opportunities. Others generate income through rental arbitrage, where they legally lease properties and operate them as short-term rentals under approved agreements. The real estate sector continues to create opportunities because housing demand remains strong across many regions of the country. Content creation has also become one of the most lucrative side hustles available. Years ago, becoming a media creator required expensive equipment and industry connections. Today, a smartphone and a clear niche can be enough to build an audience. Platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and podcasts have enabled ordinary people to transform expertise, entertainment, or educational content into significant revenue streams. Income can come from advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, memberships, digital products, and brand partnerships. Although success rarely happens overnight, many creators who remain consistent discover that content can generate income long after it's published. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this has quietly become one of the highest return side hustles when executed correctly. Affiliate marketing involves recommending products or services and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through a unique referral link. The key difference between successful affiliate marketers and those who struggle is trust. The most profitable creators focus on solving real problems and recommending products that genuinely help their audience. As consumer spending continues to grow online, affiliate marketing remains an attractive option because it doesn't require inventory, customer support, or product development. Another rapidly growing opportunity is online education and coaching. Americans spend billions of dollars every year learning new skills, improving their careers, and solving personal challenges. People with expertise in finance, fitness, business, technology, language learning, productivity, or professional development can package their knowledge into coaching programs, digital courses, workshops, or consulting services. The scalability is particularly appealing because knowledge can often be sold repeatedly without requiring equivalent increases in working hours. The gig economy itself continues to evolve beyond traditional rideshare driving and food delivery services. While those opportunities still exist, higher-paying niches are emerging. Specialized delivery services, executive assistant work, virtual administrative support, remote bookkeeping, customer experience management, and project coordination roles can generate far greater earnings than many people expect. Businesses increasingly seek flexible talent, creating opportunities for individuals who can provide professional services on a contract basis. E-commerce remains another powerful wealth-building side hustle. The growth of online shopping has created countless opportunities for entrepreneurs to sell physical products, digital products, print-on-demand merchandise, or private label brands. Unlike traditional retail businesses, many online stores can be launched with relatively low startup costs. Successful sellers focus on identifying market demand, building strong branding, and creating customer experiences that encourage repeat purchases. While competition exists, consumer spending online continues to support new entrants who bring value to specific niches. Perhaps one of the most overlooked side hustles is investing in income-producing assets. While investing requires capital and carries risk, dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, and other income-generating investments allow individuals to earn money without continuously trading hours for dollars. Many financially successful Americans use side hustle income to purchase assets that eventually generate passive cash flow. This creates a powerful cycle where active income funds investments, and investments gradually reduce dependence on active work. Of course, it's important to remember that every side hustle comes with responsibilities. Income earned outside traditional employment may be subject to federal, state, and local taxes. Depending on the structure of the business activity, individuals may need to report earnings to the IRS and account for self-employment taxes. Understanding basic financial management, maintaining accurate records, and separating personal and business expenses can help maximize profitability while remaining compliant with tax regulations. The reality is that the highest-paying side hustle isn't necessarily the one generating the biggest headlines. It's the one that aligns with your skills, interests, available time, and long-term financial goals. Some people thrive in content creation. Others excel in consulting, real estate, freelancing, or e-commerce. The common factor among successful side hustlers is not luck. It's consistency, continuous learning, and a willingness to create value for others. As we move further into a digital and increasingly flexible economy, opportunities to earn income outside a traditional 9-to-5 job are expanding faster than ever before. The individuals building wealth today are often the ones who understand that financial security comes from multiple income streams rather than relying on a single paycheck. Whether your goal is paying off debt, boosting retirement savings, funding investments, or achieving greater financial freedom, a well-chosen side hustle can become the bridge between where you are today and where you want to be tomorrow. The question isn't whether opportunities exist. The question is which opportunity you'll decide to pursue first.